Alright, what's up? It's your boy Darkkell. We're over here with the Glock 19X. Y'all know that I turned it from black to the FDE again, but with the battle one bringing the black out, and I think it looks real nice. I went ahead and threw this comp on here. Again, this is only a $35 comp on eBay. It's a new company, but when I had it on my MMP, it shot like a 22, so we're gonna see how it behaves on hit. So here we go. We're gonna put 10 shots downrange through it. This comp does its job. For the price, you can't beat it, man. Darkkell out. Peace.
Only critical defense, carry ammo. Make sure that this has a good time.